Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For dinner today I'm cooking creamy chicken with chicken thighs. So what I'm doing is I'm just seasoning the chicken thighs, salt, a teaspoon of salt, some black pepper, and I'm also going to add some paprika and some Italian seasoning, Italian herbs. Just season. Now adding some salt, just seasoning both sides, guys. Black pepper again, and some paprika, Italian seasoning, and just mix through. Now guys, I'm going to marinate this for about 15 minutes. Just adding salt in the water. Now guys, I'm cooking the chicken thighs for about 8 minutes on each side. I just want to make sure it's cooked all the way through, and then I'll make my sauce after that. Alright guys, I'm going to set the chicken thighs aside, and I'm going to put them in the oven for an extra 5 minutes. So just 200 degrees in a fan forced oven for an extra 5 minutes while I'm making the sauce. Guys, just adding one medium-sized onion, So just cook the onion for a few minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Now adding some garlic powder, just like a teaspoon of garlic powder. Adding black pepper. Italian herbs. And some paprika. So guys, this is a budget meal. I'm just using spices from the pantry, and the chicken thighs were like $7 or something like that. So this is quite a cheap meal, and the pasta was like $1.50. Now this is a budget meal. So now that the onions are cooked, I'm going to add my tomato paste. Some tomato paste. Just 1.5 tablespoons tomato paste. Alright, just adding chicken stock, half a cup of chicken stock. Alright, now I'm adding the cooked pasta. Guys, I'm just gonna add some creamy cheese. So just to add some creaminess to my pasta, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of creamy cheese, and just mix this through until the cheese melts. Alright guys, so this is how the chicken looks. So I'm going to slice the chicken just like that. I'm going to add the chicken on top of the creamy rice, just like that. Well,